Smart Fastener. In ZW3D 2023, a brand new Smart Fastener function is coming. With Smart Fastener, users can quickly insert the standard parts together with the constraints. It will increase the efficiency of standard parts insertion. Here's an example. In ZW3D 2023, we add Smart Fastener functions on the assembly module. With Smart Fastener, you can select single insert the standard fastener on the selected location face, or take multi-insert to insert the standard part on the multiple location faces. After you selected the location faces, it will recognize all the hole and match the hole with different sizes with corresponding fasteners. Besides, you can also select the target fasteners and add a top stack and a bottom stack automatically. Moreover, you can also check constraint component to add a constraint for all the fasteners automatically. Smart fasteners can help users to insert the fasteners in a more convenient way.